For knee massage, we're going to start off with connective tissue or skin rolling across. So pick up some skin here on the outside, and then try and roll that bit of skin right across the patella, right over the other side where you've got the medial collateral ligament. Roll it across. Old injuries, again, you'll find it a lot tighter at certain areas, so just try and free that up. A bit more space underneath to work. Skin rolling. With the knee, you can see I haven't got a bolster, because if we had a bolster, it locks the kneecap in position, so you won't get any movement. So this is the only time you can take the bolster out, and now you can see the kneecap slides a little bit more. So for this, we're going to try and lock the patella upwards, push it upwards here to stop it moving, and we're going to do transverse frictions across the superior angle. Okay, so I'll try and reinforce it. So you come in, you've got the quad tendon that's coming down here, so you're going to cross that. Sorry, a bit too deep. If we lock the kneecap outwards, it gives you a bit of a border there. So what you can do is just hold it there with that side, and you can friction on the lateral edge. Same with the medial edge. You can lock it in that position. So I'm going to use the heel of my hand, reinforce fingers, and go underneath the medial border. And we can do the same thing on the inferior angle or border. So from here, I just need to lock it, make sure it's not moving, and we're going across. Well, we're actually going across the patella tendon. So if you've got a client with patella tendonitis, I wouldn't do this one because it would inflame it even more.